A good day to our doctor and anyone else watching. We are from group MIXDEV and we're going to be explaining our QMS flow management system. So I'll be talking about the architectural rationale. QMS flow, we choose the model view controller or MVC architectural style. So MVC will separate the system into three main parts, which is the model, which handles all QMS data and business logic, the view, which is the user interface used by admins and employees, and the controller, which manages user actions and system responses. This separation makes the system easier to maintain and scale, and we can update the interface or add new features like more ISO standards or analytics without affecting the core system. MVC also supports interactive QMS workflows such as document approval, audits, and CAPA management, ensuring the system remains consistent and responsive. So overall, MVC is well suited for a web-based quality management system like QMS Flow because it is structured, scalable, and easy to manage in the long term.
Moving on to the architectural view, we're starting with our use case diagram. We are using the same use case diagram we used in our previous assignment too, which is consists of our employee, auditor, and quality manager with document control, CAPA management, and audit management. Next, we have our component diagram, which starts with authentication, user interface, and notification system. From the user interface, it goes to document control, CAPA management, and audit management, which it access from all these components. And from this layer, all of it will go to the storage component, which is the database. And also, user interface will also access from authentication component. Next is package diagram. This is our overall package diagram, which consists of document control, CAPA management, and audit management. For our document control subsystem, we have three layers, which is view layer, domain layer, and data access layer. View layer consists of document dashboard, upload page, review page, and version history. Domain layer consists of document controller, workflow controller, and notification service, while data access layer consists of document repository. And our CAPA management view layer consists of CAPA entry page and investigation page and action plan dashboard, while domain layer consists of CAPA controller, root cause analysis logic, and notification service, and data access layer consists of document repository. Lastly, our audit management consists of a view layer, which consists of audit schedule page, findings report page, and checklist page. Domain layer consists of audit controller, compliance code logic, and notification service. And lastly, data access layer consists of audit repository.
Okay, so now I will be talking about the logical view. The first one, we have class diagram for document control subsystem. So the user class represents system users such as administrators and employees who can log in and view documents. The document class stores key information like document title, type, status, and current version. It handles actions such as uploading, updating, and locking documents to prevent unauthorized changes. Each document can have multiple versions, which is represented by the document version class, and this ensures proper version control and traceability, which is important in ISO compliant systems. The approval class manages the document approval process, where authorized users can approve or reject documents before they become active. Overall, the diagram shows how document creation, versioning, and approval are structured clearly within the system. Next. Okay. So this class diagram shows the audit management subsystem. The audit class represents an audit session, including its type, date, and status. It controls the audit lifecycle from scheduling to closing. And the audit checklist class contains audit criteria and ISO clauses used during the audit to ensure compliance is properly evaluated. During an audit, findings may be identified. These are stored in the audit finding class, which records the category, description, and due date of each finding. The auditor class represents the person conducting the audit and submitting findings. Next. Okay, so this diagram, our class diagram, it represents the CAPA management subsystem, which handles the corrective and preventive actions. The main class is CAPA, which tracks the CAPA type, status, and target completion date. Each CAPA includes a root cause analysis to identify why an issue occurred, using methods like the 5 whys or fishbone diagram. This action item class represents specific tasks assigned to users to resolve the issue, and multiple action items can exist under one CAPA. Finally, the verification class ensures that the implemented actions are effective before the CAPA is officially closed. This design ensures that the issues are not only fixed but also verifies the long-term effectiveness. Okay, next.
So now we have process view. We identified six critical workflows that define a paperless QMS environment. So the technical view, we have document control. Instead of manual filling, an employees upload triggers system-wide routing to the quality manager. The automation have prevents unapproved SOB, I mean, from reaching the production floor. Then we have CABA and RCA. When a non-conformity is found, the system doesn't just log it; it forces to root case analysis, which is RCA. We assign action items with the hard deadlines directly to employees dashboards. Then we have adults. We have digitized the execution. Editors use live checklist and findings are logged instantly, which immediately updates the compliance status in our central database. Next, we have notifications. This is the system heartbeat. It constantly monitors the database for overdue tasks or status changes, ensuring real-time visibility for the management team.
Okay, for the physical
Step.
deployment view, deployment diagram illustrates the physical architecture of QMS Flow as a cloud-based web application. Users access the system via web browsers over the internet, and requests are handled by the web server and processed by the application server, which contains the core QMS business logic. All persistent data is stored in a centralized database server, and external email service is integrated to support automated notification and alerts.
All these workflows are powered by our relational database QMS Flow DB. The most critical part of our data design is traceability. For every record, we can trace a corrective action back to a specific audit finding, and finally to the user who authorized it. Entity logic. Our user entity handles rule-based access control, RBAC. The document version entity maintains a permanent audit trail of every of every change ever made to an SOB. Entities like CABA task and audit checklist ensure that complex compliance requirements are broken down into simple, trackable data points. Next.
So this is our user interface design, which starts with the login page. where users can insert their email, password, and their role. This is the document control page where the document will be managed here. And this is audit dashboard. And this is settings. Lastly, traceability. So for traceability, we have three sprints. Sprint 1 it talks about core system setup and document control. Sprint 1 focuses on establishing foundational components of QMS flow. This sprint includes the development of the authentication and user management subsystem, which ensures your login and role-based access for admins, quality manager, and employees. It also covers the implementation of the document control module, which allows users to upload, manage, and approve quality documents with version control. Completing this sprint ensures that the system has a stable structure and enables users to access and manage essential documents before other quality processes are introduced. CPA management is the second sprint. So this sprint is dedicated to developing the CAPA management subsystem. During this sprint, functionalities for creating, assigning, and tracking and closing corrective and preventive action. This quality managers and employees to manage non-conformities effectively and ensure timely corrective actions, which is the focuses on the implementation management subsystem with features for scheduling audits, conducting audit activities, recording findings, and generating audit records. This sprint completes the core quality management workflow by allowing organization to evaluate compliances, identify issues, and link audit findings to CAPA actions. The completion of this sprint ensures the QMS flows fully supports internal quality audits and compliance monitoring. Thank you.